Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a threat model using Microsoft threat modeling tool. Okay, so as you see here, you can see create a new template, open a template, then open a model. Then also when you are assessing your product or service, you look at each asset and see which threat it could have. So let's get started on how to create a threat model. Create a model. Then this is our working space here. Okay, this is our working area. Then we are going to look for our panel. Come to view, then choose this one. Then after that, we are going to create our first application. Our first application, we shall have user. Look for human user here. Shall have a user. Then we need to have also web application. Look for web here. Then also we need to have cloud storage. Can get cloud storage here. And then also we need to have also authorization provider, which can act as Google. So authorization provider is here, can put it here. Then also we need to have internet boundary. Okay, internet boundary here, so the user will be on internet. And then also we can have the local storage for our HTML, put here. Then also we can have also the cache, okay, for capturing some data. Okay, we are going now to connect. When you are connecting, come to HTTPS hypertext transfer protocol secure. Hypertext transfer protocol secure. So we're going to use this is a sign of the key. You put here. Okay, then we shall link it here. A user is going to log into a system, but this user is on internet boundary. Okay, then also we can get this also still, which is our hypertext transfer protocol secure. Bring it here. Okay, so it's HTTPS hypertext transfer protocol secure. Okay, then get also put it here and connect here, right? Yes. Then also internet boundary, this internet boundary also you can get this internet boundary again. Get internet boundary, we put here. Let's see also here, right? Okay, can adjust a bit here. Then this authorization provider is assume it's our Google, right? Then authentication is like yes. Okay, right click into my first application properties, then my first app can name. Then here accepted inputs, you say any remote user of entity, then implements users authentication, yes. Implements or uses an authorization mechanism, yes. Okay, yes. Yeah. Right. So you use this one with the key, right? Right. Then you can come on another component. You right click on cloud storage, come to here, you can give the name, leave this, then stores credentials, yes. Stores log data, yes. Encrypted, yes. Can also shared, yes. Right. Then also on authorization provider, can right click here. You can say let's assume you are using Google, right? Then authentication itself, yes. It authenticates itself, yes. Yes, right? Then this one is on our internet. This is the internet boundary. Can connect it up to here. You see? And then you can also have another internet boundary here. So it's here. I'm gonna explain for you. Errors are still there. You're going to correct. Okay. So I was saying the human user is on internet, as you see here, internet boundary, and this person is making a call to our application. Alright. Therefore, we can't trust him, but we trust all components inside here. Okay. So communication goes from my application to cloud storage. Alright. To check if user exists in the system. Now, when authentication is complete, what will happen? It will give back the entry to the user. So, in brief, there is a user who can use the browser to log in into the application. The application talks to the database. Okay, which is going to check if user exists in the system. If so, the system will give back the entry to the user. Right? Okay. At this time, this cloud storage is acting as our database also. Then also another thing I can tell you about a trust boundary is a location on data flow diagram. Is a location data flow diagram where data changes its level of trust. Any place where data is passed between two processes is typically a trust boundary. If you read data from your database, a trust boundary, because other processes can modify the data in the database. Any place you accept user input any form is always a trust boundary. Clear these errors here. Let's see where's the problem. Yes. Now you can now generate your report. For this, to generate a report, come to reports. I see. Can come to reports. Then create full report. Generate report. Okay, you can give a name. Okay, and say any name you wish. You can say Herbert. Herbert Solver. Then save maybe on desktop. So it is opening c.html. It's opening. Okay. Then here some of the information about it you can read. You can see this is our diagram 1. Right, you can see. Okay. Can see diagram 1, diagram can move. Then here they can show you the thread, then its description. Okay, spoofing my first app. Okay, then they can show you the thread, they describe it for you. Tampering, potential data repudiation. Okay, repudiation category, my first app claims that did not receive data from a source outside the trust boundary. Okay, data flood sniffing, potential resources category, another threat, denial of services. Okay, can see category description, as you can see. Okay, so that's how you can make something your threat model. Try to create yours using a template you want. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my tutorial.